As you can see, it's raining outside. See? So there's a storm coming, but I just went and got some food. Josh and I are gonna eat at the hotel. So a day in. So it's raining today, and I just picked up food for us to eat in the hotel. And I got, well, Josh and I got the same thing. We got their OG garlic noodles. Look at that. Looks so good. It has a poached egg on it. So, can't wait to dig in. I also added some dumplings. So, it's gonna be a night in. Yeah, it's raining outside. Hello y'all.
Hello.
We're in Charleston, South Carolina.
Yes.
And we are walking down the historic district. So it'll be fun. We're gonna try and do like what's it called? A self-guided walking tour. So hopefully it doesn't rain. This building looks like it was being remodeled. Now it looks like they are commercial space available. It was erected in 1913. No, that's not great. What did you get, Josh?
I got Cafecito with vanilla.
And I got cafe con leche with caramel. We found a church. Mine is yellow. I don't know how to tie a ribbon, okay?
Just do 2 knots.
One knot. Just one knot. 2 knots. So flower truck. Right there. It's Christmas already. Well, that closed. The Art Institute of Charleston. Oh. It is a cruise ship. It's the Carnival Sunshine. I am too afraid to go on a cruise.
It's okay.
What is a custom house, Josh?
It's when shipping companies bring their goods into the United States, they have to clear it with customs.
So it's United States Customs, and it's not that the house is customized.
No.
We just finished our walk. Well, actually, it's not finished. Yes, part one. We're halfway, but we went through the city market. It was actually pretty cool seeing all of the different merchandise. Christmas is here apparently because I saw a lot of Christmas merchandise. We're sitting in a park now and we're trying to wait for a picture of this pineapple fountain. Wait till you see it. It actually looks like a pineapple. Don't give up the ship. So this is what they call Rainbow Row. It's a pile of row houses that are colored differently. Imagine driving on that. So there was supposed to be a wall, and that's possibly part of that wall. This does not look like a cannon. It's a machine gun. Something to keep in mind while visiting Charleston is that a lot of the streets and the historical district are very small. See? This is the crab cake vendor. Oh look, Josh. It's us.